And he came to me with this crazy idea of what he wanted to do with this vacant land, making an old mining area into an entire live-work community to last, be sustainable, and environmentally friendly. So at the time, the city didn't have the money to say, okay, here. So Ali and our city manager, Bill Workman at the time, came up with making this whole area redevelopment.
We have an aging workforce in the construction industry, and Ollie was really hands-on in bringing our BIA San Bernardino County chapter work with the San Bernardino Community College District and putting together a really unique construction training program. It's a 200-hour program that continues to work with formerly incarcerated members of our community who need a second chance.
When Ali came up with the idea for the Green Valley Initiative and had already been developing sustainable communities in the region, it was so new, especially in Southern California, which was the model of urban sprawl, and he now had a roadmap for sustainable communities, something that set the tone for development throughout California and then I think throughout the nation and the world.
His advocacy work and his participation really made him a great partner for the U.S. Resiliency Council. The Resilience Advantage was really Ali's idea to have a series of videos, webinars, and interactive panels where we would discuss topics of resilience and bring together an audience as large and as diverse as possible.
He managed to get government and private sector and NGOs together for the first time to say, how do we want to make our communities in the future to be truly sustainable?
Bring the community resources, the business resources, his personal resources.
State and federal environmental agencies praising the development. It was only through someone with a mindset of collaboration and determination like Ollie to see that project through.
One of the few individuals I know that understands the private sector and public sector in such a comprehensive way.
He's a dreamer that makes things happen.